So, you are a writer or a content creator, and you want to know what is currently trending amongst your peers or what are people searching for. If you're an SEO specialist, you know that answering people's queries is the most important thing that you can do for the algorithm or search engines. Well, Google gives us an answer once more. It's called Google Trends. My name is Malcolm. I'm one of the SEO specialists at Pearl Lemon, and in this quick video, we will be exploring the Explore section of Google Trends. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to Google, trendsgoogle.com, and this is the page that you will see. If you know exactly or you have a keyword of what you're looking for, you can type it down here and you can see what's trending or what questions or queries are related to that keyword. But we want to highlight on explore. So we want to stick there and explore. Once more, if you have a specific keyword that you want to look for, you want to type it down here. All right. And you want to make sure that you are in South Africa or you choose the geolocation that you would like. Uh, in this example, we can just leave it to South Africa. And we want to also check what's really trending or what was really trending. You can choose specifically in the past hour, up to 12 months, sorry, up to 2004 to see how well it's trending. So in this example, let's stick to 90 days. All right, past 3 months. And category, we're gonna stick to, let's choose something that a person who is in content creation would choose. So let's say you want to write something in real estate. So we put real estate there. And as you know, there's different types of searches. There's web searches, the one that you just hop onto Google and type in your query there. Image searches, when you add stuff on Google as well. News search, Google Shopping, and YouTube search. All right. So here in this example, let's keep web search. So we see here the topic real estate and how much people searching, and you can see that dip there and how it's picked up. It's really good to know if you are in SEO. You can share this data as well as embed this data in your blog article or your website post or download it into a CSV. Okay, till now we don't have a topic, we don't know what to write about. All right, so here are the search topics. So we know it's property 24. Maybe you can write a blog about or around stuff like that. Or specifically, you can get a search query right to your right here. As you can see, it's rising up here, or write something around the Cricket World Cup or the Rugby World Cup, but it's now over. So that will slowly decrease. All right, so here we want to click on top. So we want to know what's really trending in real estate right now. So we know this is the keyword to go for. Houses 24. But let's say these keywords are not enough. We want to click on show more keywords here, the arrow. So as you can see there. And let's say we go for, let's choose one that has a lot of, let's click on property. So what will happen, it will take us, it will now be right here. The same will be carried over, as you see there. And what's great about Google Trends is it tells us which sub-region has the most queries for that specific keyword. So property right here, it's most searched in Western Cape, then Gauteng, then Eastern Cape, Free State, Northern Cape, and so on, as we use the example of South Africa. Of course, this also gives us more specific keywords that are right. So we want to still stick on top because we want to know what's ranking on the top. And let's stick to rising so we know what to aim for in the future. So that was just a quick tutorial on how to use Google Trends for your keyword search or writing content for your blog posts or so on. For more information with regards to SEO, feel free to visit us at pearllemon.com and please subscribe to our channel. Peace.